We should clear these 3 first. All right, I'll mark them now before the others arrive.
Each stalk is selected by age, 4 years minimum, no exceptions.
Every section must be uniform, terviras. The machine downstream accepts nothing less.
Thousands of sections, one morning's work. The Grove gives what it can. Loaded and strapped, the first leg of the journey begins.
The forest ends here. The factory is already waiting.
Phase 1 complete. 70 tons of raw bamboo, ready to move.
Raw material in motion. Every kilometer, a step closer to transformation.
The industrial zone, where raw materials enter and finished products leave.
Morning. Let me see the manifest and the bill of lading, please.
Sure, here they are.
Okay, everything checks out. You can head to the loading area.
Inside the yard, the pace changes. Precision replaces speed. The truck goes silent. The factory begins to breathe.
The bamboo crosses the threshold. From here, the factory takes over.
From the outside, it is steel and steam. Inside, it is precision and purpose. Every worker clears the gate. Every process follows a sequence.
Look at how fast the bamboo is moving through the early stages. It's impressive engineering.
Below the corridor, the transformation has already begun.
The floor absorbs you. The noise, the heat, the motion, all of it, immediate.
One building, one product, every machine connected to the next.
The intake conveyor, where raw harvest becomes factory material. Nothing enters the process unchecked. The inspector's eye is the first filter.
The field comes off in seconds. What remains is raw material targil, nothing more.
Every node, every fiber doino. The machine strips it all to a clean working surface. Size determines destiny on this floor. Every section finds its lane. Precision cutting begins the standardization. Every piece now identical in length. The node disappears. The fiber falls away. What remains is clean bamboo stock. Her hands have done this 10,000 times. Nothing imperfect passes her station.
The section enters whole. It leaves as something entirely different.
Chemistry begins here. The fiber must be broken before it can be rebuilt.
Time and chemistry do what no blade can. The fiber loosens its grip.
Flow rate looks good at 40 cubic meters.
Noted. Pressure holding steady.
Inside the drum, bamboo becomes fiber. The structure of the stalk surrenders completely.
Water out. Fiber forward. The press makes it ready for what comes next. Pressed and consolidated. The bamboo paper is learning to hold itself together. Heat finishes what the press began. Every trace of moisture must go. Temperature held constant. moisture content dropping with every rotation. The refiner closes the gap between raw fiber and paper pulp. Water, fiber, and chemistry combine. The pulp is ready to become paper. On the wire, chaos becomes sheet. The paper finds its form. Pressed and consolidated, the bamboo paper is learning to hold itself together. The Yankee cylinder runs at 200 degrees. The paper leaves it transformed. Pressure makes it smooth. Smoothness makes it printable. Every micron matters.
The system reads the sheet 60 times per second. Humans watch. Machines correct.
2 tons of bamboo paper moving on its own. The factory floor orchestrates itself.
The reel fills in minutes. A new core takes its place without missing a beat. Programmed positions. Locked blades. The wide reel is about to become many. One wide reel becomes 30 narrow rolls, each one destined for a bag. Every roll tagged. Every width confirmed. The precision line accepts nothing approximate.
Staged and verified. The rolls wait their turn at the printing line.
The web finds its path through the press. Ink is already waiting.
Brand and certification land on bamboo paper at 1,000 meters per hour.
Cured in seconds, the ink becomes permanent. The paper is ready to become a bag. Flat web becomes tube. The shape of a bag emerges from geometry and glue. Sealed at the base. Cut from the line. A bag exists where there was only paper. The handle completes the bag. Every eyelet crimped to specification. Every 20th bag answers to the laboratory. The line never stops. The testing never pauses.
Dead weight tells no lies. The seam either holds or it does not.
Color must match the standard exactly. The densitometer does not estimate.
Moisture and grammage define the paper. Both must fall within tolerance margin, always.
The stamp falls. The screen turns green. The packaging line receives its clearance. Clearance received. The packaging line wakes up, and the final stage begins. 25 to a stack. The counter never misses. The press never skips.
Wrapped tight against moisture and transit damage. Every stack sealed identically.
Batch number, date, specification. Every stack tells its own story before it leaves.
Layer by layer, the pallet grows. The robot places each stack without hesitation.
Wrapped, secured, and moving. The warehouse is the last stop before the world receives it.
And this is how modern factories produce bamboo paper bags, from grove to grove, from stalk to stack, from forest floor to your hands.